Hi, my name is Etienne, and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the ultimate small shop before purchasing the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. First thing you need to know about Ultimate Small Shop is, beware of website from which you will buy the Ultimate Small Shop, because the Ultimate Small Shop is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So what is Ultimate Small Shop and does it really work? And the answer is yes, Ultimate Small Shop works, and after a lot of study and dedication we arrived at this wonderful project. In this in-depth guide, I'm going to take you by the hand and show you exactly how to put together a fully functional workshop for under $1,000 and do it with very little space. So yes, you can trust Ultimate Small Shop. They are many people who are having great results with the Ultimate Small Shop, and you can also have good results. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can really know we have a 60-day money-back guarantee. If don't like it for any reason, we will refund your money. Also, for the Ultimate Small Shop to work, you have to dedicate yourself and get your hands dirty, otherwise you won't see great results, and you'll be a little frustrated. In the first part, we have an explanatory video about everything from Ultimate Small Shop. Here we already have a lot of relevant information. Pay close attention here. We see how we can save up to 70% by buying from the right source. This is very important, and also the knowledge needed to answer these questions. How much money do I really need to set up a woodworking shop? Is my space too small for a functional workshop? What are the minimum tools I need to create basic woodworking projects? How do I avoid low-quality tools that will ruin my freshman year? How good is good enough? Do I need to go ultra-high-end to ensure a long-lasting tool? Is buying used tools a bad idea? What are the critical factors for creating a suitable workshop? We can see how the wrong choice of tools can make you spend a lot of money, which is not good. Now, do you really think that the owners of these sites care about the quality of the tools they recommend? Not. What they do is recommend the tools with the highest revenue share. Which means when you search for anything related to tool reviews, you will find hundreds of these web pages, and they are all designed to earn your trust and get your money. The other risk is not spending enough. The need to save money can backfire, and you could end up losing money in the long run. The discount tools industry is a billion-dollar industry, and some companies compete on price alone. Your target market is men and women dedicated to a single home renovation project. These guys want to make things cheap, so their only focus is price. Now we need more tools than the average customer, so we can't buy things cheap. Once you have this list, you won't have to spend any more of your precious time researching tools, and more than that, you will save hundreds or even thousands of dollars in the long run by buying the best tools from the start. I am sure the Ultimate Small Shop is your best choice. I will finish it here. Hope you like it. Thank you all for watching. Bye-bye.